Seeing the Get the newer version of Windows to stay up to date message on Windows 11? Here's how to fix it. Getting the Get the newer version of Windows to stay up to date message on Windows 11? Let me show you how to fix it step by step. Open your browser. In the search bar, type Windows 11 Assistant and hit Enter. Click on the first link that appears. On the page, click Download Now to get the Windows 11 Installation Assistant. When prompted, click Save. Then open File to start the process. Click Yes to allow the app to make changes. Now, check if your PC meets the requirements. Click on Get PC Health Check app. Open the downloaded file and follow the steps. Checkmark I accept and click Install. Once installed, click Finish. In the app, click Check Now. Then click on See All Results to view your computer's compatibility. If everything checks out, go back to the Windows 11 Installation Assistant and click Refresh. Click on Accept and Install. Wait for the download to complete, and the installation will start automatically. And that's it. Your PC will now update to the latest version of Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.